Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing the Frida Mom lactation massager and powering it on so you can begin expressing efficiently. Remove any packaging, then charge the unit until the LED shows full. This ensures consistent suction. Once charged, clean and dry the silicone cup. Hygiene matters because milk contact requires a sterile surface. Assemble the cup onto the motor housing until it clicks. Then press the power button and set the lowest intensity one, so your body can adapt gently before increasing. Once done with power up, position the silicone cup correctly and use a consistent technique to maximize flow. You should center breast tissue in the cup without pinching the areola. A comfortable seal, not pain, produces best suction. Start cycles of 5 minutes of expression followed by 2 minutes of rest, and make small intensity increases only as needed. While the device runs, use your free hand to massage from the outer breast toward the nipple. That manual motion helps stimulate letdown and clear ducts. To finish, power off the massager and carefully remove the cup, then pour expressed milk into a sterile container right away so nothing contaminates the supply. Clean every component with warm soapy water and allow complete air drying before storage. This prevents mold and maintains suction integrity. If you notice weak suction, reseat the cup and try again. Make sure the battery is charged and check the silicone rim for lint or milk residue. Clearing that often restores proper performance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.